Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change text color in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the easiest way is just to have a theme or a site builder that would allow you to start managing your pages and their font and style. Basically, in my case, I have only Astra, but you might have, for example, Elementor, or you can also have any other theme. So simply you can go to your themes, and after that you can add another theme that would have some other website builders. So for example, you can go here and type WooCommerce, and basically we need just to have WooCommerce, and we can have many themes that would be added here, and they would have their own uh, website builder. And all you will need to do is just to go to the customize page or site builder so you can customize on your page. And from here, I already have this global, and from here you can see that I have colors, and I can start changing the colors of my text fonts. And as you can see, those are my text theme colors. I can have, for example, a red one, and it will be changing here. And the accent for the links, I would like, for example, to have just a pink one for demonstration, and those are the pink one. And I might have also these ones like this, and you will need just to start publishing the changes so they can be applied. And I can just do like this and start styling my pages. And basically you can do that with any theme builder or site builder customizer, and by that you will have your font color. This will be changing. So thank you for watching and see you next time.